New. Hello, everybody. Came out to put the sheep away. Looked over here, and this is what I spotted. Oh, you probably snapped the line. Thankfully, it doesn't look like it hit any posts. Oh, it looks like one of the newer portions of the tree. So up there, it broke off a long time ago, and it has been putting out newer stuff down below. It's a large leaf maple. Yes, unfortunately it broke off again, but on the bright side, at least this time, there wasn't a nest, I don't think, in that section. It's too new of wood. This used to have a woodpecker nest up at the top section of it, and I don't think there was any bird nests. To twist up the line a bit. The post is still straight. And I don't see any nests, which is awesome. I don't have to worry about any baby birds. Okay, just involves trying to lift this off of the fence. Well, I better get to it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.